Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are very happy to see you here. And today we're gonna be talking about, is there another dump coming with our favorite Bitcoin and our favorite cryptocurrencies? Let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, so a couple days ago we've been talking a little bit about the dip that happened, and if you can see here in our Discord group, don't forget to join. We posted this area that if we reach to this area, we might be reversing down. So whoever wanted to loan until here, they had the chance to do so. And right now we can see that we are getting and we are testing this area. And I'm thinking there's potential for us to reverse unless we're going to be able to break this 39,000 and go a little bit higher. But I think we probably not might break the 40,000. I just want to point out for you something right here, that if you see this candle, so this is a dragonfly doji, which usually tells us about a reversal of the trend. So this is, we're looking at the daily, and I want to show you the weekly. So we still have few days left until this candle close. So I'm following and looking, how is this candle gonna close? Are we gonna be able to just go above and continue going up and close it nicely in an upside move? Or are we gonna be looking very dodgy at this point of time? So this is something I'm looking forward to know, and if we are closing like this, I'll be looking for potential downside. And again, usually when these candles happens, it's not always, if we're gonna close like this, it's not always happening that right after here we're gonna start dumping. Usually it can creep up a little bit higher and then dump again. So as well, that's something I'll be looking at for next week. And some cryptos that we were talking about the last time on our previous video. So just take a look at this beautiful gain since the drop. I think when I was making the video, Cardano was around the 25 cents, and we said that usually after every big serious dump there's always some upside. It doesn't mean that we're not gonna go back down, but usually after dumps like this we have some nice upside. We have couple green days. So from this 25 cents until now, this was amazing, 20%. We were talking about Theta, that we were saying that for me these were the very good areas to buy. If we ever get here, definitely a buy for me. But what happened from here? So probably I was making the video, Theta was already maybe in around the $1.60, $1.70. So even if we take from here all the way up 20%, this is crazy. Another one, Zilliqa. This one was just a killer. This is a chart as well that we posted in our Discord group, that this is going to be accumulation area. So we did dip a little bit in here. So if you just bought it here, Zilliqa just rebounded like crazy, 36%, 35%. This is amazing. I'm looking at this and it looks great. As well, VeChain, we were talking about the cup and handle that VeChain creating, and then we came back, tested it. And again, the video we were doing yesterday, VeChain up 20%, like everything is just going up like crazy, which is amazing to see. It's great. So if you are trying to a dollar cost average and you buying those dips, they're definitely gonna pay out eventually, but it doesn't mean that we are already in the green and the worst is behind us, because we still might get stuck in these areas. And if we can create a higher high, we probably might gonna go see some more red days. And we were talking about the 21 exponential moving average on a weekly, that we went so far away from it, and we need to say, we need to give it a high five at some point of time. We need to come and say hello so we can continue with our life. Again, it's not written in stone that we have to come back and really touch the 21 exponential moving average, as we were giving an example what happened in the past, that usually it is coming and touching it, saying hello and continue, except this one time that it did not touch. So are we in this area? I doubt it. I'm thinking we might be somewhere here, maybe here, I'm not sure, but hey, time will tell, we will see. So if you are looking to enter Bitcoin, these next couple weeks gonna be very crucial to see what's gonna be happening. And then if we are continue correcting, I wanna see if we can actually touch this exponential moving average. So if I would be looking to enter more, I'm probably gonna be buying and entering a little bit on the way down. I'm not gonna be looking all the way until it's gonna touch it. And even if it touch it, maybe it's gonna go a little bit below it. This happened before. As we can see here, that we came, we touched it, we dipped a little bit, we might dip a little bit more, maybe not. With the momentum is happening right now and how people are feeling that this is happening, like Bitcoin broke 20,000 and this is happening, we're just going. So if the dip gonna be happening, it's probably gonna be very quick and we're gonna rebound and we're gonna continue with our upside. But this is definitely some areas to watch Bitcoin closely and see what's gonna be happening. And again, just wanted to remind you, as we talked about all your favorite cryptos, look at this, these candles, they're just crazy, just crazy. So this can happen as well, right? You see all of them pretty much have the same wick, the same head at the top, which eventually kind of telling us, hey, this is this dragonfly doji candle. So you want to pay attention because it might be a trend reversal, as exactly as I was talking about Bitcoin right now, and we keep seeing those kind of candles. So anything can happen. Keep your eyes open, and if Bitcoin will start correcting and will be dumping fast, again, we will have more opportunities to enter and to get our favorite cryptos and a discount price. And let's say for Cardano, what we were saying, that you might never get lower prices, right? If we're gonna be getting to some lower prices, so let's say if our trend line will say this, if we manage to get here, we might not. You see how far we retraced from here after this dump that we had. If Bitcoin gonna be taking its time and we continue trending up, then the next dump we're gonna have, we might never reach this area. We maybe might reach only here, this area of 25. So this is the beauty of dollar cost averaging, because you don't know how far we're gonna go. If you bought here and it never comes here, the lowest we're gonna go, it's 27 cents. So at least you already have an awesome entry. If we're gonna go below it, then you're gonna have even better entry, and then your average gonna be amazing before we continue to the upside. Again, it looks like we continue printing lower highs, which is not very good. And again, Bitcoin, it's in a moment of time. In the next couple of weeks, it's gonna decide if we continue going down. So if we are continue going down, me personally, I'm preparing, I'm start thinking, okay, where is my next buying entries? So start looking your favorite coins, start looking where do you think it's gonna be a good entry again, and get ready. And yeah, may the force be with us. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for joining us today. Please give us a like if you like the video, or dislike, however you feel, and share with us, leave us a comment and tell us, what do you think? Are we gonna have another dip, or we already in the clear and we continue going up and everything is green from now? And again, thank you so much for joining us, and we're gonna see you in the next video. Adios.